How to fix invite collaboration option not showing on Instagram. First, let's open the Instagram application on your device. Now, to have collaboration option, you have to make sure that your account is public because this feature is not available for private accounts. So if your account is private, first tap on the profile icon. Then tap on the three-line option at the top right corner of your screen and select settings. Now you want to tap on privacy. As you can see, my account is private, so let's toggle this off. And here it will ask for confirmation. Simply tap on switch to public. And now this should fix the issue. But if your issue is still not fixed, simply go back to the settings. And this time tap on help. Then select report a problem and then again report a problem. Now tap on include and continue, and here you will find a space to write down your problem. So I'm just going to briefly write down for the collaboration option. You can see there is default screenshot. If you don't want that, you can remove it. You also have the option of uploading a screenshot yourself. So once you've done that, you can simply send the problem and your problem will be fixed. So that's it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.